How to use filter templates. Filter templates save time by allowing users to quickly apply predefined filtering criteria. Filter templates can be used when filtering documents, job recurrences, invoices, time entries, chats, SMS, inbox plus notifications, wiki pages, calendar events, and IRS transcripts. Let's see an example of how it works. First, go to the Client's Documents page. In the top right corner, you will see the Filter button. Click on it to choose the filters you want to apply. After selecting the filters, you will have the option to save them as a filter template. To do this, click on the Save as Template button at the top of the menu. Name your template. If you click the Public Toggle button, the template will also be available to your team members. To apply a saved filter template, click on the Filter Templates button, select one of the available templates, and then click Apply at the bottom of the menu. Now you can easily see all relevant files. Whenever you need to reapply the same filters, you can do so using the template instead of manually selecting each filter again. Once applied, filters will remain active until you manually reset them. Even if you leave or refresh the page, the filters will still be applied. To reset the filters, click on the Filter button again, and then click Reset at the bottom of the menu. Once reset, you will be able to see all documents again.